Hi, good evening. Today I would like to discuss about the need of dry ration kits. For the past couple of weeks, I've been visiting a lot of urban poor pockets in Chennai. What I came to understand is one, we have a close to 30 lakh population, 30 lakhs, in close to 2,000 urban pockets in Chennai alone. And every single location where I visited, what I understood, they are in need of dry ration kits. It is definitely imperative to instill in them about the usage of mask, drinking kabasara kudineer, and social distancing. I do understand that, but what is happening is whenever we visit the place, first question is எனக்கு சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு ட்ரை ரேஷன் கொடுக்க முடியுமா, groceries கொடுக்க முடியுமா, மளிகை சாமான் கொடுக்க முடியுமா, because they are in need of proper meal a day. ஒரு family, if you see the average family size is 4 adults and 2 to 3 kids, so they are in need of dry ration kits. And without that, அவன் வயிறே ஃபுல்லாக இல்லாத போது, அவன் வயிறு நிறையாத போது, when I'm trying to explain him about importance of maintaining social distancing, அது எதுவும் தலைக்கு போகிற மாதிரி தெரியல. அவங்களுக்கு பசியில் இருக்காங்க. Second thing, most of them, the reason behind this, why இப்படி நடக்குதுன்னா, most of them are daily wages. So lockdown அறிவிச்சது, which is March 21st நம்ம தமிழ்நாடு, அதுக்கப்புறம் 22nd we had national lockdown. Since that period, since that date, they haven't had any proper job. So most of them are totally out of job, and they do not have any source of income, and that is actually forcing them to keep requesting for support from all possible sources. And of course there are many people who have supported them so far, but it is not up to the level because the need is huge. But one thing I'm really confident is, like, if we have the similar unison approach what we had during 2015 floods, this is achievable task where we will be able to support all this 30 lakh people in this urban poor pockets. Of course, on the other side, I'm also taking support of NDSO, Ennangalin Sangamam, to prepare a list of children who are in need of this kind of, especially the food part, and so that what I could see is normally after this kind of scenarios, like, whether it's a disaster or a pandemic like this, there's going to be a huge need of malnutrition பிரச்சனைங்க வரத தவிர்க்கிறதுக்கு. there's a huge need of steps to be taken. So அது முன்னாடியே இப்போ நம்ம பண்ணணுன்றதுனால the survey is being conducted. இந்த ரெண்டு ஏரியாலையும் definitely support is required. One, as an individual or as an NGO or as a corporate social responsibility side, from company side, if whoever wants to support, I can directly connect you with the people who are in need or in that particular location and directly கொடுத்துடலாம். Or if you need support from my side, I'll be able to arrange volunteers in packing the items and delivering it to them. பட் கண்டிப்பாக இது தேவை, ஏன்னா இப்போது ரொம்ப அதிகரிச்சுக்கிட்டே வருது. அண்ட் போக பார்க்கும்போது முதல்ல ஒருத்தர் 2 பேர் கேட்டுட்டு இருந்தது. லைக் initially it used to be like here and there some people, like slowly it has come to a point now, whichever area I step in, the first question asked is like, will you be supporting us with dry ration kits? Minimum 2 months the first, I think we have to support them, and thereafter when the scenario changes, things would be different. Another thing which I want to discuss is also I keep hearing about a lot of people losing their jobs, and even if they have their jobs, they're not paid, or at least some are having 50% paid. And also entrepreneurs side la nariya per are planning to shut down because they're not able to withstand what's going on in terms of in the financial stress. So friends who are actually from different parts of the globe, if you have any suggestions which is already done there and it is successful, any creative solution or any other method to help them, please do share it across. It could be from another state or another district or another country, but please do share it, because what I could see is this will have layers of impact, and if it is not addressed at this point at least, then it may end up in other serious consequences. What I am already seeing is this kind of financial stress is ruining a lot of families. Mental peace is gone and a lot of psychosocial issues are arising. and this is also putting them in a very awkward familial issues popping up, and some are ending up in separation and divorces. So at least this much we could do is like where we have seen something which is successful in helping an entrepreneur. நான் சொல்கிறது வந்துட்டு பெரிய லெவல் கடை வச்சுருக்கவங்க மட்டும் இல்லை, அது ஒரு சாதாரண பொட்டி கடை வச்சுருக்கிறவங்க கூட இருக்கட்டும். பட் we shouldn't have him come to this stage of like நான் கடையை மூட்டு போனால் எனக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னு தெரியல. Okay, there are few things which we did in Kerala when I was working there. There are few ideas where some corporates came forward and they supported in the area நாங்கள் எடுத்துக்கிறோம், and we will ensure all the MSMEs in this location அவங்களுக்கு பேசிக் சப்போர்ட் தருவோம், அட்லீஸ்ட் டு ஸ்டார்ட் ஆன் their ஓன்ன்றதுலாம் இருந்தது. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஏரியாங்களில் நிறைய சப்போர்ட் தேவைப்படுது. அண்ட் டெஃபினட்டாக வந்து இப்போ நான் போய் பார்க்கறதுனால ஐம் கமிங் அண்ட் ஷேரிங் வித் யூ. ஐம் பிளானிங் டு டூ திஸ் அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒன்ஸ் அ டே, ஸோ தட் wherever we don't know யார் வந்து ஹெல்ப் பண்ண முடியும், யாரால் எந்த ஹெல்ப் நடக்கும்ன்ட்டு. ஸோ ஐம் ஓப்பனாக கேட்குறேன் நான், லைக் whoever is able to support, please contact me and I'll connect you with the people, connect you with the community where the need is there. And these are people who are not like already some people have supported and they're just asking more or greedy. I have seen them அந்த உள்ளே போய் ஸ்லம்மில் உள்ளே போய் பார்த்ததுனால சொல்கிறேன், they are actually suffering, and இது பார்க்குறதுக்கும் கஷ்டமாக இருக்குது. நம்மளால் முடிஞ்சது, என்னால் முடிஞ்சது ஒரு 2 இல்லை 3 வீடுக்கோ I will be able to support. பட் அங்கே இருக்கிறது வந்துட்டு 2000 ஸ்லம்ஸ் இருக்குது கிட்டத்தட்ட, ஓகேங்களா. ஸோ அங்கே இருக்கவங்க அத்தனை லட்சம் மக்களுக்கு டு ஹெல்ப் இட் நீட்ஸ் லாட் ஆஃப் ஹேண்ட்ஸ். யாரால் முடியுமோ, எதர் as individual or as from your company side corporate social responsibility மூலமாகவோ, or NGOs or INGOs who are watching, or representative of these organizations, if you can support, this will be great, because this will have different entanglements as it grows. இப்போ இந்த ஸ்டேஜே நம்ம எடுத்தோம்னா கொஞ்சம் ஈஸி, இதே கொஞ்சம் லேட்டு தான் நான் சொல்லுவேன். பிகாஸ் இப்போ இது 1 டிகிரியாக தெரியுது, அப்படியே நாளாக இட் மைட் டேக் வெரி வாஸ்ட். அந்த கேப் வரக்கூடாது, வந்ததுன்னா அது வந்து சொசைட்டி கம்யூனிட்டியை வந்து வேறு லெவலில் பாதிக்கும். ஏன்னா ஒரு டிசாஸ்டர் வரும்போது அதை எதிர்கொண்டு திரும்ப பவுன்ஸ் பேக் ஆகிறதுக்கு இட் நீட்ஸ் லாட் ஆஃப் பீப்புள், லைக் மைண்டட் பீப்புள் கம்மிங் டுகெதர். ஸோ அந்த ரிக்வெஸ்ட் தான் நான் இப்போ இங்கே வைக்கிறதுக்கு இந்த வீடியோவில் வந்தேன். என்னுடைய நம்பர் வந்து, மை நம்பர் இஸ் 8939037925. So the areas which I covered, I'll just summarize it. 1, lot of urban poor pockets are in need of dry ration kits. In Chennai alone, there's close to 2000 slums amounting to 30 lakh population, and the average family size is 4 adults with 2 to 3 kids. At least 2 months of supply is required. This is one. And second thing is statewide list of children who are in need of proper nutrition, who are missing the midday meals. That list is being prepared. Once the survey is done, I can share that with you. And third thing which I'm talking about is mainly focused on the people who have lost their jobs, entrepreneurs who have lost their business or planning to close their business because of the financial crisis, and employees who have not received their salaries. Some of them, okay, they have received 50%, but most of them have not received their salaries. If any solution or a practice which is done in your area, in your country, in your state, in your district, and anything successful which has practiced there, please do share. And this is what I want to share with you today. My name is Hari Balaji. Thank you.